Thanks for joining and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to talk about software testing training course content. So, what is software and what are all the topics that we are going to cover going forward? So, this is the content, guys, like software testing training course content. So, I'll be starting with the introduction of testing first. So, means what is software and what is software testing and why we need software testing and then software development lifecycle. So, in software development lifecycle, what type of levels that we have and how many phases we'll be having in SDLC process, everything we will discuss during software development lifecycle concept. And we have a few different types of models. So it depends on the company and it depends on the project, we can say. So what type of methodology that particular project or company is following, and what is the exact process will be involved in SDLC models. So that we will discuss, and the software testing life cycle. So software testing life cycle will start in a testing phase in software development life cycle. So means in software testing life cycle also we have a different type. I mean different types of levels. So what type of level and what type of roles and responsibilities that we will play in software testing life cycle we will discuss. And next, level of testing and the types of testing. So, how many levels of testing that we have during software development life cycle, and what type of testing we will perform in SDLC, I mean, during testing phase. So, since testing is most critical and very important phase in SDLC model, so we will have to learn what type of testing that we will follow, and in each scenario and in each phase, so what type of testing we will perform. Okay. And effective software metrics and SQL queries also we will discuss, because each and every project can be anything and a domain can be anything. There will be one database. So we will also need to check with some SQL queries sometimes. So it may require, right? So I'll be covering SQL queries too. And next, we will discuss about API testing, maybe Postman or SOAP-UI. So as API is also very important concept, and many requirements are available in the market in API testing as well. So along with these manual testing concepts, I will also cover API testing. And requirement traceability matrix, RTM. What is RTM and how we will track the requirements? Everything we will discuss. And testing techniques. What type of testing technique we will use, and how we will proceed with our actual approach. And next one, defect management. So during our actual execution, right? So the testing purpose is to identify the defects, correct? So, what type of testing that we are performing, and so during our actual execution, if we identify any issues, maybe defect or any other issues, maybe it's related to test data, or maybe functional level if it's getting failed, or a program is getting errored out during our execution. For that, we will raise one defect and assign to development team, so that they will relook into code and they will rectify it. So means they will resolve that issue, and then code will be redeployed into test region again. Then we will retest. So there are some different phases available in defect management again. So level by level, how the defect management will work, and how the defect lifecycle will work. So that we will discuss during a defect management concept. And agile methodology. So during SDLC model, we will discuss about agile methodology, but still separately I mentioned, because most of the companies and most of the projects are running in agile methodology, agile model only. So what are the ceremonies available in agile, and what is Jira and what is backlog? We will discuss about that. So after completion of all these mandatory and main manual testing concepts, I will also, help you to prepare interview. So what type of questions you will get, and what are all the frequently asked questions I will prepare, and then provide you some basic kind of interview questions, so that even if you are learning from very basics, you can able to clear the interview very easily. And last one, understanding real-time scenarios and work culture. So means as a software engineer, or as a QA engineer, or as a manual test engineer. So once you go inside of any of organization, so what type of requirements you will be getting, and once you get the requirement, how to understand the requirement, and how you will proceed with your work and all, and what type of work culture will be there inside of organization, I will explain. Okay, I'll come up with your topic tomorrow. Thank you.